Today we have this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. In this fender we've got two really good sized dents. This one's got a body line running right through it, and it's close to the edge of the panel. This one's just a pretty good generic dent just right in the middle of the fender. The customer really doesn't have an idea as to how this happened, but we help them navigate through the insurance company to get this one covered. So here now you can see we have the door completely removed. It opens up access ports through here. We also took at the top of the fender, we took the plastic trim off that runs along the top here. It's called an upper ledge cover or upper seal cover. We removed that. That also opens up this way. That gives us access points coming down and access points going this way. If we need to, we'll remove this trim, which gains us access to the fender liner, but we'll address that later in through the repair if we need to go that route. Let's get started. This is our finished result using Paintless Dent Removal. There's no paint needed, no filler needed, no replacement of the fender. This was done in a one-day repair, saving the customer time, saving the customer money as well. Even though this went through insurance company, this was still saving a lot of valuable time. This also saved the factory fender and the factory finishes, both inside and outside. And this is what we do with Paintless Dent Removal.